Hey travelers, welcome back to another video. Today I'm with my husband and son in Mankato to explore a nature center on this beautiful 80-degree weather day. This map shows the trail we took. I tracked our hike on Alltrails, and once again I forgot to turn off the tracking when we left. On average, it takes 33 minutes to walk the entire park, which has 1.5 miles of trails and an elevation of 36 feet. We spent 1 hour and 7 minutes at this location. I took a couple pictures from this location, so if you'd like to see them, my Instagram and Flickr accounts are linked in the description. Found mushrooms. Pets, bikes, skateboards, and motorized vehicles are not allowed in the park. Strollers and wheelchairs are allowed. The park has 65 acres of land. The park overlooks the Minnesota River and Minneopa Creek. Sadly, this video does not have much history to it. All the history that I found for this location is found at the sign at the beginning of the park. The land of the park was given to Blue Earth County by Williams Pipeline in 1985.
green. But, all in all, still pretty cool.
Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this location so far. If you've been here, how's your experience? Would you recommend this location to others? And if you have not been here, would you like to explore this park? Also, if you're enjoying this video, please leave a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one. Where's the mushrooms? There's the mushrooms. Look at all those mushrooms. That's a lot of mushrooms. This is how close William Nature Center is to Minneopa State Park. That's these state park lines. It's like a 3-minute drive to the Bison range. But they're closed right now due to poor trail conditions. The park is all paved, but for a small section that we took. You can get to the south overlook by taking a paved trail. You just go the opposite way we did. It backtracks you to the parking lot a little bit. It's 80 degrees today, and there's still snow. Oh, look at how big those mushrooms are!
They're growing right out of the tree there. You see them?
My stabilizer does not want to stabilize.
I bet Mommy wants to go and touch them. Oh, yeah, it's weird.
a big tree.
That's not a tree.
Okay, then what is it?
That's a stick. It's a rock.
In the description, you'll find other attractions and places to eat that are 30 minutes or less from this location. My socials are there along with the links where I got all my information for this video.
This is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed our walk at William Nature Center. And with that, we'll see you guys next Wednesday at 5 p.m. Central.